Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Under 2 Minutes. We are very close to doing all the shape tools Illustrator has to offer, but before we do that, I want to show you something that affects almost every shape there is, and that is the widget. This little circle is a widget. It's in every corner of the shape when I click it, and what these are for is manipulating the edges and corners of a shape. So let me show you what I mean. If I click down this widget and drag in, it's going to pull every corner of my shape inward. So now it's more circular. This was a square. You can still see the square bounding box. If you keep pulling in, it will turn red because you can't go any farther than that. The widgets are pulled into their maximum. So you only get a specific amount per shape. But with widgets, you can also select only one. So if I just wanted to pull in this corner, I would left click and pull inward. So now that has just changed that corner. Very easy for changing shapes to something completely different. Now, if I wanted opposite edges, all I have to do is hold shift and click both edges I want and pull those in. This is very good for doing things uniformly and changing the shape. As you can see, it kind of looks like a petal shape here. Something way different than what we started with. And let me show you the last thing widgets can do. If you hold Alt, it will give you this little icon, and you can click a widget and it will change the edges of that shape. So you can cycle through three of them. So we have rounded, kind of a curve, and diagonal lines. Very simple and easy, good for manipulating shapes, and an amazing tool.